So what I told you about macros in the starting, macros reduces the repetition of the work, I told you, right?
Yeah.
So macros reduces the repetition of work. Okay. We'll see in what way. So today we'll see how macro helps us in reducing the repetition of the work.
Okay.
For suppose we want to print continuously 10 different data sets. Okay. So for printing continuously 10 different data sets, what we have to do? We have to write 10 times proc print statement, right? Proc print
Yeah.
data equals to SAS help dot class and run. I want to print another data set. Proc print data equals to SAS help dot cars. Okay.
Okay.
Run. So like this, I have to write like 10 times the macro program, right? Like 10 times the proc print program. Then I'll be able to print the 10 data sets.
Yeah.
But by using macros, we can write the program once and we can call the macro 10 times, okay? Which is bit
Okay.
flexible than writing the proc print program 10 times, okay?
Okay.
So in order to write a macro program, we should know the macro variables, okay? What are the macro variables
Okay.
and how to create them, okay? Macro variables, macro variables are of two types: local macro variables and global macro variables. Okay, I'll call macro variables as MB. Okay, so
Okay.
local
Okay.
MB and global MB. So do you remember the global options?
Yeah.
So when I told you the global options, I told you like if we once we activate the global options, so they will continue throughout the session, I told you, right? Or else like they'll
Session.
continue
Yes.
like unless we deactivate them, they'll continue throughout the session. In the same way, global macro variables are nothing but, so we can use once we create the global macro variables, we can use them throughout the program. Okay.
Okay.
So local macro variables as in, so they are permitted to use only in that program, okay? Like to a specified program, they'll work, that's it. Where global macro variables we can use throughout the SAS, like wherever we want, we can use in the SAS, okay?
Okay.
So once we start writing the programs, then you'll come to know what a global and local macro variable is, okay? So coming to the global macro variable, we create the global macro variables by using %let. Okay.
Okay.
For suppose to this SAS help dot class, every time rather than I don't want to write SAS help dot class. Okay. So
Okay.
whenever I have to write the dataset name, I don't want to write that big name. So I can assign a macro variable to that SAS help dot class so that whenever like even in the next time, so whenever I want to write SAS help dot class, I can just simply write A rather than writing the big name SAS help dot class. So I want to assign macro variable A to SAS help
SAS
dot
help.
class.
Not
Okay.
class.
So which means
Okay.
like to this SAS help dot class, I am assigning this variable A. Okay.
Okay.
And see, so like this we'll create so many macro variables. Okay.
Okay.
So which like for suppose after like few days we want to know like what is there present in A. Okay. So there is a macro variable name, we know that. But after few days we might forget what is that macro variable A is containing. So in order to know what that macro variable is containing, we can, by writing %put, okay, we
Okay.
can know what in that macro variable what data it is containing. Okay,
Okay.
%put a. So when you are writing the macro variable, you should write %a. Okay, let me
Okay.
first execute this. Okay, now execute this. Check the log window. Okay, so %put a you executed, right? So it is telling in macro variable a SAS help dot class data is there. Okay,
Okay.
now mm, so this is how you create the global macro variables. Okay, so always the global
Okay.
macro variables are created by using %let. Okay,
Okay.
so now whenever you want to print the SAS help dot class data, okay,
Okay.
so whenever you want to print this as help dot class data, simply you can write here.
Instead of a
Yeah,
dot print data equals to a
no,
ampersand a.
ampersand.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Percentage let a is for to assign the data set to a, and ampersand a is to print the data.
Yeah. So whenever you are writing the macro variable, SAS, in order to SAS to understand that it is a macro variable, we have to write ampersand. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in order to write a macro program, first what we have to do is we have to start the program with percentage. Okay,
Okay.
percentage macro. Okay,
Okay.
and followed by macro name. Okay, so what is the
Okay.
macro name that we are giving to the program? Okay,
Ampersand
uh,
a.
let us give it as print because it is a print program, no? So we'll give print. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so proc print data equals to mm, so forget this. I have given like so this I have shown you in order to tell you like how to create the macro variables. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Now leave it. Percent mend. So always you should end the macro with %m end. Okay, mend. Mend as in like
Okay.
macro end. Okay, macro end. So always you have to close your macro, end your macro programming with mend, %mend. Okay.
Okay.
So now I told you like I want to print SAS help dot class. Okay.
Class.
Let us. Okay. So if you execute this program, it will print the, so it will always print the data in output window, right?
Yeah.
So without writing this entire program, what you can do, for suppose if you want to print this as help dot class multiple times, okay? So what you can do is if you write a macro program like this, you can simply give percent. So what is the macro name that we assign to print this program?
Print.
Print, right?
Print.
So if you give %print, okay, we already executed this program. See, Okay, so for suppose if you want to execute like after running 10 to 12 programs, if you want to again print SAS help dot class program, okay, sorry, SAS help dot class data, then what you can do is you can simply write percent. So whatever the macro name that you have given, you can simply write it. You know, every time you don't need to write this proc print program. Okay.
Okay.
So did you understood the concept, like why I have written this program? See, first I have written proc print
మనకు
program. Okay.
okay, okay,
And then what I did is, so I want to print this program multiple times. Okay.
okay,
So during my work, సో డ్యూరింగ్ మై వర్క్ డే, అంటే నేను వర్క్ చేస్తున్న 8 hours లో నాకు ప్రాక్ ప్రింట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేను చాలా సార్లు ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. సో ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ నేను ఈ ప్రాక్ ప్రింట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసుకునే కన్నా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఐఎమ్ అసైనింగ్ ఎ మ్యాక్రో. ఓకే.
okay,
సో పర్సెంట్ మ్యాక్రో, దిస్ ఈస్ ది మ్యాక్రో నేమ్ ప్రింట్. ఓకే.
okay, okay,
So for printing this proc print SAS help dot, for printing the program, this SAS help dot class, I have assigned that whole program under the
print,
in the print. Okay. So whenever I want to print the SAS help dot class, what I'll do is, instead of writing the whole proc print program, what I'll do is I'll simply call the macro. Okay.
okay,
అర్థమైందండి?
yeah, no,
అంటే నేను మళ్ళీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని 10 సార్లు అలా రాయకుండా నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే సింపుల్ గా, రాదర్ దాన్, చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2 లైన్లు రాసే కన్నా నాకు ఇది ఈజీ కదా.
yeah,
సో లైక్ దట్. ఓకే.
okay,
హలో.
yeah, ma'am, okay,
నో ఫర్ సపోజ్ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడే చెప్పండి. ఓకేనా?
okay.
డౌట్ ఉందా ఏమైనా?
డౌట్ ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మనం SAS help dot class కి ప్రింట్ అనేది అసైన్ చేసి ఉన్నాం
ప్రింట్
అంతే
అనే
కదా,
మ్యాక్రో నేమ్ ని అసైన్ చేసాం. సో
అసైన్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడు పర్సెంటేజ్ ప్రింట్ అని ఇస్తే SAS help dot class
ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది.
అవుట్పుట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది అంతే కదా.
అంతే. ఓకేనా?
ఇప్పుడు ఆ SAS help dot class ప్లేస్ లో వేరే డేటా సెట్ నేమ్ ఇస్తే పర్సెంటేజ్ ప్రింట్ అని ఇస్తే మనకి ఆ డేటా సెట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది.
యా. సో మనం ఇక్కడ ఏది అసైన్
ఓకే,
చేస్తే అలా. ఫర్ సపోజ్ వీ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ మల్టిపుల్ డేటా సెట్స్ ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్. ఓకే. నాకు SAS
ఓకే,
help dot class, SAS help dot cars, ఎయిర్ డేటా సెట్, ఆర్ సెల్స్ డేటా సెట్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒకేసారి ప్రింట్ చేయాలి నేను. ఓకే.
ఓకే,
Then what I can do is, so instead of giving the dataset name here, okay, give a macro variable. Hello?
యా మ్యామ్,
Yeah, give a macro variable. Okay. So,
ఓకే,
so the whatever the macro variable that we write here in the programs, that macro variable we call as the local macro variable. Okay.
ఓకే,
So give some macro variable name. So what you want to give? Like the name will give, like dataset name.
ఓకే,
Okay. So whatever the macro variables that you give here, also assign in the macro statement. Okay.
ఓకే,
So what is the macro variable that we created? D name,
బి
right?
నేమ్,
D name equals.
యా,
Okay.
ఓకే,
See, this is the macro name. This is the macro variable. Okay.
ఓకే, ఓకే,
Yeah. So now run this program. Okay. So I want to print SAS help dot class now. Percent macro name. Okay.
ఓకే,
In bracket D name. Okay. D name equals to what the date, what's the data set you want to print? SAS help dot class, right? Give SAS help dot class.
యా,
Okay. Next. What is the
ఓకే,
other data set that you want to print?
SAS help dot cars,
Okay. Give SAS help dot cars. Okay.
cars,
why I'm writing. So what's the dataset you want to print? SAS help.air. Okay.
That is.
The other dataset I want to print, SAS help.or sale. Okay.
Okay.
So how many datasets you want to print? Just you can simply
Four.
write this rather than writing always the proc print program. What you can do is you
Yeah.
can create simply a macro, okay, and you can
Okay.
write like this. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
understood? Andi.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, now I can be able to print all the datasets together. See,
Yeah.
so అంటే ఇక్కడ పేజ్ లైన్ సరిపోకపోవడం వల్ల మనకి కింద వస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay. అర్థమైంది. అర్థమైంది.
Okay. So if we give the line size, if we declare the line size, then we'll get it in the same size. First I'll do that. Okay. Mm, how to declare the line size and page size?
Options.
Options ls equal to,
LS equal to some 255.
okay, we'll give 200. Okay. And page
It's
size equal
100 now.
to, we can give anything, right? So we'll simply give
Yeah.
like page size equals to 300. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, just a minute.
Okay.
ఎవరో వచ్చినట్టున్నారండి ఇప్పుడే.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sorry అండి.
Okay.
హలో.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
అంటే ఎవరో వచ్చారు అందువల్ల లేట్ అయింది. ఓకే.
Okay.
సో if you want to print all the data sets at a time, see,
Yeah.
this is our sales, I think. So you got it right, like.
Yeah.
And next, so this is how you can repeat your sorry, we can reduce our repetition of the work. Okay.
Okay.
So let us do the macro with uh, another data set. Okay, like with another
Okay.
procedure.
Okay.
Suppose we want to sort the data. Okay.
Okay.
So today our job is only sorting the data. Okay, like at work.
Okay.
For different data sets with different variables, it is just sorting the data. So what we can do, so for suppose we have today our job is to sort 100 data sets. Proc sort
Okay.
data equals
That
to,
I still
sorry,
share self or
SAS help dot
anything
class out equals
out
to
some
class.
class.
Okay, proc
Okay.
sort data out equals to class by 6 run. Okay, so this is the program.
Okay.
For sorting
Yeah.
100 data sets, I have to write like 100 programs.
Yeah.
Okay, so rather than writing 100 programs, better to create a macro, right?
Okay.
So start with %macro. Okay, give
Okay.
the macro name. Since the program is sorting the data, we'll give sort
Yeah.
the macro name.
Sort.
Okay, so you can
Okay.
give anything like B, C, D, like any name you want, you can give. But since it is the, I think since it is sorting the data, it will be relevant, right?
ఓకే వాట్ మనం ఏదైతే మ్యాక్రో తర్వాత ఇస్తామో అది సార్ట్ యూజ్ అవుతుందా మ్యామ్?
No, no. See, you can give here like new, okay,
ఓకే.
or macro old, okay, or
ఏది ఇచ్చినా పర్లేదు కదా?
ఏమి ఇచ్చినా పర్వాలేదు. కాకపోతే
అది
నేను సార్ట్ అని ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నాను అంటే
అది మనకి
ఇప్పుడు
సార్ట్ అని తెలియడానికి.
సార్ట్ అని తెలియడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది అని అంతే.
ఓకే.
Okay, so you can give like new, okay, you can give your name, okay,
ఓకే.
or else we can give my name, okay. So whatever we want, we can give. Okay, so macro sort,
ఓకే.
macro name. After that, so we want to carry the sort procedure for so many data sets, right? So generalize
Yeah.
that one. Create a macro variable, dname. Okay.
ఓకే.
See, dname, why I am giving is dname means simply we can understand the data name, right?
డేటా సెట్ నేమ్.
I'm sorry, yeah, data set name, right?
అది కూడా మనం ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా?
మీరు ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. You can give like data, okay, or you can give your name, you can give like new, okay, anything you want you can give. Okay,
ఓకే.
so dname, I'm giving dname. Okay, out equals to give any like even out also, output data set also we want to generalize, right? Because we'll be
Yeah.
creating multiple different data sets for different sort procedures, right?
Yeah.
So generalize, ampersand, give d out, data set out. Okay, I mean like output
ఓకే.
data set. Okay,
ఓకే.
by, so in every data set it won't be the same variable, right? Sort variable won't
Yeah.
be same, so different variables. So give variable var. Okay, so you can give
ఓకే మ్యామ్,
anything.
అర్థమైంది.
ఏంటండి?
యా, ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది మ్యామ్ క్లియర్గా.
యా, సో యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్. బట్ కానీ మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇది చాలా డేటా సెట్స్ కి వాడతాం కాబట్టి అన్నింటిలో సెక్స్ వేరియబుల్ తో సార్ట్ చేయం కదా, వేరే వేరే వేరియబుల్స్ తో సార్ట్ చేస్తాం. Now end the macro with mend. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the variables that you have given here, give here also. Okay. Dname
Okay.
equals to comma.
Out D. Okay.
Yeah. D out
D out
to comma.
equals to comma ampersand way.
No, ampersand no
No.
need. Ampersand is
No.
macro,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah. Yeah.
specify it as macro.
Yeah.
Okay. Var equals to
Yeah.
close the bracket. Okay. Run the
Okay.
macro. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now, so now I want to sort the data sets. To sort the data sets, what's the macro that I created? What's the macro name? Sort, right?
Sort. Yeah. Percentage.
Percent sort.
Sort. Dot. Rect.
So what's the data set that I want to
Then
sort?
SAS help dot class.
Okay. Next.
Comma. Next D out equals to
Output data set
class 1.
class 1.
Okay. Comma. Where equal to checks.
Done. Now again. Now I
Done.
want to sort the same data set. For suppose if I want to sort the same data set but variable with different variables.
By age.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll
So
copy this only.
copy.
So many times.
Yeah.
Are you finding now macros easy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, give class 2. Now
From
sort the
age.
age. Okay.
Age. Yeah.
Okay. I want to sort cars. Okay. Cars 1. Okay.
Um,
With variable make. I mean like in
oh,
cars dataset make is there.
yeah. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
one. Okay. Now another dataset. Cars. No, not cars. Tell me any other dataset. Air. Okay.
Age.
Let us see what are the variables that are in air.
Dates. Yeah. Dates.
Blue late names. Air. Okay.
Okay.
So D out equals to
Air 2. Air 1.
with air. Okay.
Okay.
See, in your work library, nothing will be there. See, we have created the, I told you in the beginning, do you remember there are two types of SAS files? One is catalog and
Okay.
the other is data files. So data is stored in the data sets and the macros, macro variables or any formats and in formats. Okay.
Yeah. I've stored in catalogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are catalogs. So,
Yeah. So since we have ran the macro, so they got saved in the
yeah.
here. Okay.
Okay.
What's the wrong?
పైన మనం ఇది రన్ చేయలేదేమో మనం పై అడ్రస్
చేయలేదా?
చేసాము
చేసాము.
ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఏ సెమీకోలన్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్
ఇక్కడ మిస్ చేసాం సెమికోలన్.
యా
See,
యా
class 1,
ఓకే
no. Okay.
ఎస్
See, it is sorted by sex.
యా
See,
నెక్స్ట్ బై ఏ
yeah. So writing a macro program is very simple. Nothing. See, you write first the actual program. Okay.
యా
First you write the actual program and then try and
అసైన్
then modify it as a macro program. Okay.
Yeah.
It will be very easy. See, now from SAS help.class, I want to print two data sets. Okay. Like
Okay.
one is the female data set and the other is the male data set. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Or else I want to create two data sets. One is male and the other is female. Okay. So how I create like data.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. So I can give
Data class one. Yeah. Class one two.
no, no, not like that. Mm, hmm. Okay, yeah. Data equals to class one. No, data equals to male. Okay.
Okay. Set
Set class help
SAS help
dot
dot
class
class where
where
x equal to
x equals to m.
m. Yeah.
Run.
That's it. Run.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is the program correct? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me delete this mail data set here. Okay. So
Okay.
now I want to like this. I want to create so many data sets. Okay.
Okay.
So many subset of data sets. Okay.
Okay.
What I can do here? I'll create a macro.
Yeah. Macro.
Percent macro.
Percentage macro data.
Macro name. Let us give subset because we are
Okay.
subsetting the data, no? So subset.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. After this, data set name changes, keep on changing. Yes. So
Yeah.
ampersand. What should
D name. Yeah.
we'll give D name? No, we'll give like D out only here because here we should give the D name, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this also keep on changing.
Yeah.
Yes. So ampersand D name. Okay. Where
Okay.
ampersand
Where?
variable equals to some value. This m is value only.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
ampersand value val. Okay.
Okay.
Run in percent mend
Map and yeah.
hmm, subset of this is the macro variable name macro name. So what are
Yeah.
the macro variables that we have given in the program? Ampersand d out.
Yeah. Percent of
Okay.
equal to
I'm sorry, ampersand
comma.
out why? Hmm.
Yeah.
And d name equals
Ampersand.
to
D name.
no need ampersand.
Comma and
So when
yeah.
given
Yeah.
the
Okay.
macro name only, macro variable name, then only we give the ampersand here. Okay. So when
Okay.
declaring
Okay.
it here in the macro statement, we no need to give ampersand. Okay. var
Equal to
in value.
v val. Yeah.
So these
Semicolon.
are the four macro variables that we have given.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what is the macro name? Subset. So give
Subset.
subset. Okay. Control C. Control V. Okay. So D out
Okay.
equals to give mail. Okay. Because
Mail.
from SAS help.class we want all the mail observations.
Mail answer.
So mail.
Yeah.
This data set name SAS help dot
SAS help dot class.
class. What is the variable?
Very good.
Sex is the variable. So,
SAS
and what is the
value
value? M.
M.
Okay.
Okay.
Control C. Now we want to create, out of this we want to create female data set. Okay. Give female.
Okay.
SAS help dot class sex. What's the value? Will be F.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to create from SAS help dot cars. So now I want to subset all the BMWs this thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Control C. Value BMW
Okay.
male
Make SAS help dot cars
will
and
give BMW.
BMW. Okay.
Okay. I mean we can give anything, but it will
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
be handy. It will be easy to understand. Okay. But suppose
Okay.
you want to subset another data. Suppose you want to subset another data set. Okay.
Okay.
Which data set? Demographics. Okay.
Okay.
Which one? Tell me some country name.
Malaysia.
No, here this will be unique. No country name.
Yeah.
We'll take the region.
Okay. All are comes under region. Yeah.
We'll take AMR. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
What is
No.
the variable
Country.
region? No.
Yeah. Region. Sir.
From SAS help dot demographics. Correct. Out
Yeah.
out what we give? We'll give AMR only. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now run the this thing.
Okay.
See, created
Yeah.
male, female,
Male,
BMW,
female,
AMR.
AMR.
See,
Yeah. All that values will come.
yeah, easy. Rather than writing like
Yeah.
all this entire program,
Yeah. Easy.
writing the macros and assigning them. Is it? Did you find this easy?
Yeah.
And you got it right, like how to assign the macros.
Yeah. మనం టేబుల్స్ లో ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసినప్పుడు ఇలా రాస్తే కొంచెం స్పీడ్ అవుతుందేమో మ్యామ్. అంటే అది
అవును.
రిపిటేషన్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ కదా.
యా ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. నేను ఇంకా మీకు అది చెప్పబోతున్నా. మీరే ఇంతలో అది
ఓకే.
చెప్పారు.
యా. అది చేశాను మేడం. ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి, ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి, ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి. అది బిగ్గర్ బాగా పెద్ద కింద వచ్చింది అది.
యా.
అమ్మ ఒక్క దానికంటే ఇంత ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలా అని అనుకున్నాను మేడం.
Generally what we do in industries is the same. We write the macros only. Okay. We don't do that
ఓకే.
method. We generally follow the macros. So నేను ఇంకా మీకు చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. Please try the macros on the tables program అని చెప్పి చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా ఇంకా మీకు నేను.
ఓకే.
నేను చేయనా మీరు చేస్తారా?
నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను మేడం.
ట్రై చేస్తారా? మనం రేపు
చేస్తాను
డిస్కస్
ఇవాళ చేస్తాను.
ఏంటండి?
నేను ఇవాళ ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఒకవేళ అవ్వకపోతే
రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే. మ్యామ్ మీరు ఇంకా డేటా వేర్ హౌసింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాలి మ్యామ్.
డేటా?
డేటా వేర్ హౌసింగ్.
ఓకే. సో డేటా వేర్ హౌసింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో డేటా వేర్హౌసింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైక్ టూ ఏ ప్రొసీజర్స్. ఒకటి రిపోర్టింగ్, రెండు ETL, ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్, ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అండ్ లోడ్. సో ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ మనకు తెలుసు కదా, ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైక్ సీక్వెల్ యూస్ చేసి ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్పాను కదా, ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్ లైక్ డేటా ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్,
Yeah.
సబ్సెటింగ్ ది డేటా అండ్ ఆల్. సో ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మింగ్ అంటే లైక్ డూయింగ్ సమ్ మోడిఫికేషన్స్. ఓకే. లోడింగ్ అంటే అగైన్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ హౌ టు ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ ది డేటా. ది ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఐ కెన్ షో యూ అంటే నేను మీకు చూపించుకున్న ఉన్నది ఏంటి అంటే, సో దే ఆర్ లైక్ మెనీ అదర్ డేటాబేసెస్ విచ్ వి కనెక్ట్ ది డేటా. ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో నేను మీకు ఎక్సెల్ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్, అలాగే DBF ఫైల్. సో దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ది డిఫరెంట్ డేటాబేసెస్ దట్ వేర్ వీ కెన్ స్టోర్ అవర్ డేటా. అండ్ ఇవన్నీ ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేయాలో చెప్పాను కదా మీకు, ఎక్సెప్ట్ ది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ డేటాబేసెస్ లైక్ ఒరాకిల్ అని.
Yeah.
సో
అంటే
యూజింగ్ పాస్ త్రూ.
మామూలుగా
ఏంటండి?
అదే ఇంపోర్ట్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చెప్పారు అవే కదా.
ఇంపోర్ట్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే మనం యూజువల్ గా ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి, టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి. కానీ మీరు ఇంకొక వేరే డేటాబేస్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలనుకోండి,
Yeah.
వేరే డేటాబేస్ అంటే ఒరాకిల్ కానీ DB2 కానీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలనుకోండి, యూజింగ్ ది పాస్ త్రూ ఫెసిలిటీ యూ విల్ కనెక్ట్. నేను యాక్చువల్ గా మనకి డేటాబేసెస్ డొమెస్టిక్ గా ఉండవు కాబట్టి నేను మీకు అది చెప్పలేను. కానీ రేపు మీకు ఏంటంటే ఆ సింటాక్స్ చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
అంటే యూజువల్ గా సింటాక్స్ చూపిస్తాను. ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ లో అది త్రూ మనం ఎలా ఒక డ్రైవ్ కి మ్యాప్ అవుతాము అనేది కూడా మీకు చూపిస్తారు రేపు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
ఓకే. అంటే
మ్యాక్రోస్
ఏంటండి?
మ్యాక్రోస్ ఇంతేనా?
లేదు, చెప్తాను ఇంకా.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఇది ఓకే కదా, ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు ఇక్కడి వరకు?
యా, అర్థం.
ఇంతే మ్యాక్రోస్ అంటే మనం ఏం పెద్దగా ఏం చేసాము. ఓకే. సో
ఓకే.
ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఇండివిజువల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చూసాం కదా. నౌ విల్ సీ లైక్ హౌ టు రైట్ ది మ్యాక్రోస్ ఫర్ మల్టిపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ఓకే, లైక్ ఫర్ మల్టిపుల్ ప్రొసీజర్స్, like
Okay.
putting multiple procedures under one single macro name. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I clear all this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so I want to sort one data. Okay, proc sort data equals to SAS help class. Okay,
Okay.
out equals to class. Okay, by set. Okay, run. Now I want to calculate the frequency. Okay, proc frequency data equals to class. Okay,
Okay.
by 6. Okay,
Okay.
table
Table.
for age variable we'll do the
Age.
table. Okay,
Okay.
run. Next I want to run the means procedure. Proc means data
Okay.
equals to class.
Class.
Okay,
Okay.
by 6. We can use by or class variable, anything, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
by using by
Yeah.
variable we get like by 6. If we use the class variable, the appearance will change, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Run. Okay, proc means, and after that I want to print the data set. Okay, no, just leave it. Okay, so these are the three procedures that I want to run for so many data sets. Okay,
Okay.
what I can do is give like percentage macro. Okay,
Okay.
since there are many programs, I'm giving like many as the macro name.
Okay.
Proc sort data equals to dataset name, give as the name. Okay,
Okay.
So dname equals to
dname.
out. Give ampersand d out. Okay.
Okay.
D out equals to. Okay.
Okay. Comma.
Hmm?
Nothing. Comma is.
Yeah. Mm, no, wait. I'll tell you this also. Before that, see, these are like conditional procedures, okay? Conditional as
Okay.
in, but suppose I have my own conditions, okay? If so sometimes I want to run proc sort, sometimes I want to run means and frequency,
Proc.
like that,
Yeah.
okay? So if I have my own condition, if condition equals to sort no, so I'll give s, okay? If condition equals to s, then do, okay? Then do sort procedure. So since
Okay.
all our macros, what we have to do, we have to give percentages, okay? If percent condition, sorry, condition is a macro variable, okay?
Okay.
Equals to if, sorry, then, okay. Percent then, okay? If and then no, if then. So percent then do, okay? If my condition equals to s, then sort the data, okay?
Okay.
So whenever we write the macro variables, better to declare it here because big program, no? So sometimes we may
Yeah.
miss things, okay?
Condition. Oh, yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next, data, okay? For data also, wait, same.
Okay.
So since there is do, you have to end with percent
And
end, okay? You have to write else, no? Else,
yeah.
percentage else, okay? Percent else
Okay.
if my condition equals to
This is equal to F.
F, then do frequency procedure, okay? Do,
Okay.
so end with
And
end, okay?
percentage.
Yeah, percent end. Next, control C. Percent if condition equals to M. Proc means no, so M, okay? Then do, okay?
Okay.
Percent end.
Next. And macro.
Right.
And
And the macro mend, okay? Now, so dname and dout, okay?
okay.
Dname equals to
The name.
dout equals to.
The out.
So here we are using dout, right?
Yeah.
SAS help dot class out equals to class. So everywhere here we are using
Yeah. The out. The
dout.
out.
Okay, done.
Okay.
By give where.
Yeah. Ampersand.
Yeah, ampersand where. Okay,
Okay.
so where equals.
Where. Okay.
So here also ampersand where, right?
Yeah. Where.
So wherever 6 is there, replace that with ampersand where.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give like by where. Okay, like by variable. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
because there is another variable also, no h.
Yeah. You will know. Yeah.
We'll give by where. Table. Table. What we are.
Ampersand. Yeah. Where.
Yeah, table. Mm,
Where.
we'll give where.
Okay.
So this is analysis variable, no? So we'll give a var, okay?
Okay.
Which will be like easy to understand, that a var, okay? Analysis variable, okay?
Okay.
And we have to declare this analysis variable here. That's it.
Yeah.
Completely generalized.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let us run the macro. Okay.
Okay.
Now take this, copy it here. We don't need this macro.
Yeah.
Percent many condition.
Percentage
What is
many.
our condition? What do you want to run? So
Yes.
you want to run the sort procedure. Okay, yes. On
Okay. SAS self dot class. Out equal to class. By where equal to sex. A where equal to mm, nothing.
what is analysis variable? Analysis variable should be always numeric variable, right?
Yeah. But we are not declaring their name.
ఇక్కడ చేసాంగా టేబుల్.
మనం సార్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం.
ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఓహో, సార్టింగ్ చేస్తున్నామా? ఓకే.
Yeah.
ఓకే.
Okay. రన్ చేసి
అవుట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు క్లాస్ మన దగ్గర ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ మనం క్లాస్
క్లాస్.
ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా.
Yeah.
విల్ గివ్ ఓన్లీ CL. ఓకే.
The statement is not valid for using proper. Semicolon is not found.
సెమీకోలన్ నాట్.
Where? Okay. మనం తప్పులు చేస్తే అన్ని పట్టేస్తున్నాం మనం. Yeah.
నాటెడ్. తప్పులు చేస్తే
Yeah.
వెంటనే పట్టేస్తుందా? Okay. Next, what's the procedure you want to run?
M.
M. Okay. So in M we have the analysis variable also, no?
Yeah.
Maybe AR
AVR
equals to H.
equal to.
Oh, so we'll give like MV means. Okay. ఇక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తప్పవుతాం కదా.
Where name? See. Main. Yeah.
మీన్స్ కి అవుట్పుట్ డేటా సెట్ కావాలంటే మనం ఎలా రాయాలి?
Oh. అదే అవుట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు రాస్తాం కదా.
దీనికి డీనేమ్ అక్కర్లా.
ఓకే.
అంతే కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి చూడండి.
యా యా.
కండిషన్ M. ఓకే. డి అవుట్ ఇచ్చాము. బై వేరియబుల్ AVR అండ్ No,
అలా కూడా రాదు కదా మ్యామ్.
no, d out class కదా, not here, cl కదా d out.
మన డేటా సెట్ క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలంటే అవుట్ ఈక్వల్స్ అని ఇవ్వాలి కదా.
అవునవును, మనం అవుట్ క్రియేట్ చేయటం లేదు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి d out కదా, d out is what, d out is cl కదా,
యా
because d out is not here, data proc means data is equal to sorted data set, right?
యా యా మ్యామ్.
సో డాట్ సార్టెడ్ డేటా సెట్ ఇన్ cl కదా, అది ఇవ్వాలి. సి
యా
ఓకే, అర్థమైందా మీకు ఇక్కడ?
యా యా అర్థమైంది.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, కండిషన్ ఏంటి, ఎఫ్ డి అవుట్ సిఎల్
Yes.
బై సేమ్ ఇంతే కదా ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కూడా.
యా యా
సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇచ్చేసుకోవచ్చు.
టేబుల్ ఊరు మార్చు.
ఓకే,
ఓకే.
లైక్ దిస్.
అమ్మో ప్రొసీజర్స్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి.
ఏంటండి?
ప్రొసీజర్స్ కూడా బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి.
గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ప్రొసీజర్స్ కూడా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్.
ఓకే.
So I told you, like with %let we can create the global macro variables, right?
యా
Now I'll tell you like some calculations on global macro variables. Okay, %let, I'm creating a macro variable a, and first suppose if I am assigning it some value, numeric value, okay, 2.5.
ఓకే.
Sorry, 2.
ఓకే.
Okay, I'm creating another macro variable %let b equals to 3. Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay. Now, so in order to see what is there in A and B, what I have to do, I have to use the %put, right?
పుట్ యా ఏ
Wait, rather than telling it to you. %put %put, if I give like this, like ampersand A less ampersand B, what do you get?
ఐ థింక్ 2 + 3.
2 plus 3. Let us run. Check the log window.
యా
You got 2 plus 3. So how did you say like this 2 plus 3 or the calculation 2 plus 3?
మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయమని అంటది కదా, అది ఒక ఆపరేటర్ కింద తీసుకోవట్లేదేమో అని
Okay.
అనుకున్నాను.
అవును, కరెక్టే. So in order to in order to consider the, I mean SAS కి operator గా అర్థం కావాలి అంటే you have to give like eval. Okay.
ఓకే.
If you give eval, then it will take it as the operator and it will give you 5. Check the log. See?
5 ఓకే.
Okay, like this. See, this kind of questions you might get in certification. Anyway, in advance
ఓకే.
of certification, not in exam. Okay.
ఓకే.
But suppose if you have the decimals here, okay, like 2.5 and 3.5, okay,
ఓకే.
then you can simply give, if you have the decimals, then you have to give SYS eval F, okay,
ఓకే.
then only it will take the decimals, or else it won't take the decimals.
ఓకే. వేర్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్?
2.52 plus 5, ఇది ఒకటి 6 కదా.
యా
ఓ సారీ, ఇది రన్ చేయలేదుగా నేను,
రన్ చేయండి.
అంటే వాల్యూస్ మార్చాక రన్ చేయలేదు కదా.
యా
6,
యా
okay, so like this, and
పాయింట్ రాలేదు.
పాయింట్ రాదు. ఓకే, వెయిట్, ఓకే,
4. Okay.
6.3.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Similarly, you can use different character functions also here. Okay. Uh, Person let name equals to Mahesh Babu
Mm.
Hero. Okay.
Okay.
But suppose I want to scan the first word. So what I have to do? What is the function that I can write? Scan of name
Scan. Yes.
comma 1,
Comma.
right? So I want to scan the first word. So
Yeah.
here how you can write is percent put, okay,
Okay.
percent scan this one. Okay.
Okay.
Did I run this?
No.
Okay. So why I'm getting name? I should get Mahesh Babu, no? Mm, okay.
Ma'am, Mahesh Babu ఏమన్నా quotations లో ఓకే.
No, no. ఇది మనం macros కదా. Macro variable names అన్ని మనం ampersand తో కదా చెప్పాలి.
యా.
Okay. Similarly, you can use like index functions and all those functions here. Okay.
ఓకే.
Basically, now what I want to tell you is why I told you this scan function is, for suppose I want to print the 4 data sets at a time. Okay.
ఓకే.
So I want to print SAS help dot class. See, so whatever the data sets that I created here, like see, male, female, okay, this
ఓకే.
EMR, okay, and this BMW, okay.
ఓకే.
So I want to print all these data sets in one go, okay.
ఓకే.
So what I can do is proc print
డేటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు
data equals to
డేటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు
data set name,
ఏఎంఆర్.
no, SAS
ఓకే.
help dot okay, AMR,
ఏఎంఆర్.
okay, data
ఓకే.
set name AMR,
సెమికోలన్ రన్.
enter, done, okay. So
ఓకే.
what is the macro so in order to print those 4 datasets, what I do, I write a macro here, right?
మ్యాక్రో హియర్. యా.
It is there.
యా.
I'm sorry. And then what I do, I write like percent macro name and this statement, right? Percent macro name and that statement, percent macro name and that statement. Like 4 times I
స్టేట్మెంట్.
have to write, correct?
యా. యా.
So by using loops, we can just write once, only one time. Okay. See like percent, I'll show you that. Macro, we'll use loops here. Okay. So I'm giving loops. Macro name as loops. Okay. Percent let Okay, wait. So in order to write loops, how do we write? Like I equals to 1. Okay, while I less than or equal to 4. Okay,
Okay.
so for suppose we want to print how many data sets? Like 4 data sets, right? So if we want to print 4 data sets, if 4 times if we want to run the loop, then what we do? We write like this only, right? Like if I less than or equal to 4,
It's before, yeah.
I less than or equal to 4, while I less than or do while. Okay, so we want to run the loop 4 times. So do while I less than or equal to 4.
Yeah. Then end.
Yeah, so um okay. So do while I less than or equal to 4. I'll tell with percentages only. Percent. So percent let I equals to 1. So percent do percent while. So percent while I less than or equals to 4. In percent. Okay. So what's the generally to dataset what we give the name? The name, right? So
Yeah.
percent the name equals to, we give like scan of, okay, this set equals to scan of percent the name comma ampersand I, because I is a macro variable, no?
Yeah.
See here, percent I is a macro variable, no? So like global macro variable I is, okay? Okay, the name I, the name I, proc print data equals to the name, proc print data equals to ampersand data set, okay,
Okay.
run, after run,
మేడం అక్కడ కూడా పర్సంటేజ్ తీసేటా లేకపోతే యాంపర్సెంట్ తీసేట అనుకుంటా కదా.
ఎక్కడ?
లెట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ పర్సంటేజ్ లెట్.
ఓ నో నో, ఇక్కడ పర్సెంట్ ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ డీసెట్ అనే దాన్ని, డీసెట్ అనేది ఒక గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే,
ఓకే. ఓకే.
I'll explain you the program. Okay, percent let I equals to percent eval of, sorry, ampersand I plus 1. Okay,
ఓకే.
end. Okay, sorry, percent end, enter, percent mend. Okay, this program is nothing but like do while program. Okay, loop program. So here we are creating dset as a macro, and one of the macro variable, and assigning it the value of the scan value. Okay, scan of
ఓకే.
dname comma I. So in proc print data is equal to dataset name. Okay,
ఓకే.
let me write even the next step also, you'll clearly understand. Percent, what is the macro name? Loop. So
యా.
what is the macro variable? Loop. Here declare all the macro variables. So here dset is a
ఓకే.
global macro variable, so we no need to declare.
యా.
Only dname is the macro variable we need to declare, right?
యా.
Rest all are global macro variables, no? They are no local, not local. Okay. So we no need to declare. Okay. Dname equals to So now whatever the data sets that you want to print, give all in one go. Okay, AMR,
Okay.
male,
Male
female, and
and
BMW, right?
BMW.
Okay.
Okay.
After this, what you do is, okay. So, so without using loops, if you write the program, you have to write like 4 different statements, right? For printing all the 4 programs.
Yeah.
If you use
Yeah. Yeah.
loops, you can print all the programs in one go itself.
One line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what will happen is, see, D name. What is the D name? AMR. So what is the first D name
Yeah.
that you assigned here?
AMR.
The AMR. So what it will do? So D set is equal to scan of AMR is in which position? So what will happen is D set of all the 4 first it will and 1, right? So first time when it run the loop, it will check for the first data set,
Yeah.
correct? So see,
Yeah. Ma'am.
D set of scan of D name. What is the D name? D name is all the 4 data sets, comma I. So
Yeah.
when first time it is running the loop, I value will be 1. So it will look for the first data set. Okay. So next it will go here. It will print the data.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next I equals to I plus 1. Do while I less than or equal to 4. I is 2. 2 is less than or equals to 4. True. It will go
Yeah.
again. Okay.
Yes.
Again, it will check the scan the data sets. D name. In D name there are data sets, right? So it will check for the data sets. So what is the second one? Male. It will print the male data set. Since, since the loop is correct, 3 less than or equals to 4, I equals to I plus 1. 3 less than or equals to 4. Come back again. It will print. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
అర్థమైందా అండి ది లూప్స్ ది
Yeah, అది అర్థమైంది మ్యామ్.
when loop equals to 3 then it will execute again, when loop equals to 4 it will print the fourth data set, and when loop equals to
Yeah.
5, when 5 less than or equal to 4, no, right?
Yeah. And
So it will come out of the loop. Okay, it will print all the 4
loop. Yeah.
data sets in one go. Okay,
Okay.
if you want you can, we can execute it.
Yeah.
ఎక్కడో తప్పు వచ్చింది.
It's a not.
మళ్ళీ సెమికోల్ ఉన్నాయి. Statement not valid or what is okay. You have given loops, no? Macro name.
Yeah. Statement is not valid. మేడం అట్లా కామా ఏమైనా ఇవ్వాలా?
అక్కర్లేదు. I equals to 1% do percent while I less than or equal percent let d set equals to percent scan. Okay. Should be percent scan. Okay. Macro variable.
Okay. Yeah.
Percent let I equals to 1% let d set equal to percent scan ampersand then comma I percent do percent I less than or equal. You say like I less than or equals to 4, or if you really don't know the count, then what you can do is you can simply give like d set, okay, then d set not equals to you can give.
5.
తర్వాత proc when data equals to 1% visit run percent let I equals to percent eval ampersand I select one percent let data equals to d set equals to percent scan already this is okay percent scan d percent scan one second. Okay, okay. No, I meant this thing of here. Mhm. Mm, hello? 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 Hello?